Hidden.
300 milliliters strawberry milk. 150 milliliters strawberry jam. 1 teaspoon strawberry essence. 1 teaspoon pink food coloring. 1 fresh lemon. 2 cups flour. 30 grams baking soda. 30 grams baking powder. 100 grams butter. 100 milliliters egg white. 1 cup of sugar. 300 grams cake frosting. 200 grams sanding sugar. Some candies and wafers to decorate. Firstly, put some yummy strawberry milk into the cup. Great! Some strawberry jam.
वीडियो बना देगा वीडियो बना
So yummy! A little bit of strawberry
जम
essence.
जले
Huh?
Good. Some pink food coloring. Wow, so nice! Let's grate some lemon peel. Good job! Let's mix it up. Done. Simply pour some flour into the bowl. Great! Simply pour some baking powder into the bowl. Nice! And some baking soda. Uh-huh. Let's mix the dry ingredients with a spatula.
ये
Well done. Pour the wet ingredients into the food blender. Wow, so nice! Don't forget to pour in the dry ingredients. Yellow. Next, pour some butter. Lovely, some egg whites. Fabulous. And some sweet sugar. Sweet. Let's mix it up. Good job. Now choose the seed and speed blender by pressing the speed button. Well done. Now pour the cake batter into 4 square cake molds. Good job. Yummy. Yellow. Beautiful. Now bake your food about 30 minutes. Well done. It smells so good. Drag the cakes onto the cake stand. Delicious. Pipe some fluffy cream onto the cake. Lovely! Fabulous! Uh-huh. Great! Drag the last cake onto the cutting board. Yummy! Let's cut the cake into 7 pieces.
Be careful, don't cut your fingers.
Well done. It's time to build a cake castle. Good. Oh, yeah. Nice. Aha. Oh, yeah. Fabulous. Pipe some fluffy cream. YOLO. Lastly, drag 2 small cake pieces on the top. Beautiful. Delicious. Let's wrap the castle cake with dreamy cake frosting. Lovely. Nice. DIY the castle towers with crispy wafer cones. Yummy. Good job. Great. Aha. Finally, decorate the princess castle cake with some sugar cubes, candies, bubblegum balls, and waffles. Yummy. Great.
Good job. Time to decorate. Choose whatever you like to decorate your food.
Fabulous. Normal candles and sparkling candles. Which one do you prefer?